I almost got it. I almost got this twist out on fleek, and then boom, failed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. It's been a long time since I posted my last video, but if you're new here, then you're welcome, and I just want to say thank you so much guys for 200 subscribers. It's not a joke. I don't take it for granted. I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you for everybody who is subscribed and supports, shares, comments, likes, and everything else. So in this video I was trying to do a twist out using only gel. I have done a twist out before using conditioner only on my hair, but this time I really wanted to try like using gel. So it looks like I failed. I don't know if it's the gel that I used, but looks like I didn't do something right, so I ended up using my clip-ins. But if you like, please keep watching and check out the process. So what you're gonna need is the Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler gel, flaxseed and black castor oil, a bottle of water, a detangling brush just in case you need it, and a little small comb. So my hair is already conditioned and it has oil, so I just want to do the twist outs for this particular day. And I'm gonna start spraying the water on a small section and work the water like in the hair. As you can see, like the length, guys, it's growing. The length. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. And then I'm gonna take the gel . So my hair was completely dry because this is the next day, and I'm just gonna unravel the hair. You can use the oil of your choice just to unravel so that the ends are not dry, and it helps you like moisturize the hair more. So here I'm just unraveling the hair, so let's see how it turns out. So the twist out, like the curl pattern, was okay. I loved how it was turning out, but then if I stretched the hair more, then the hair was just getting like the way you see right now in the video, like it was unraveling and the curl was no longer there. So at this point I was like, I don't like the way it's turning out, and I'm just gonna stop there. And I just didn't like it. So that is finally it, and that's how it looked. So the curl pattern was definitely good and it was nice, but I just didn't like it the way it turned out, or it was just me having a bad day. But here I was just trying to stretch the hair more so that I can find a way that I can go about it and style it. But I think I didn't have it in me like to walk like that, so I just went ahead and put on my clip-ins and told myself that it's gonna be better next time. I'm still gonna try it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.